Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about 5 ways to clean your dog's teeth without brushing. The daily accumulation of tartar on the dog's teeth can cause dental plaque in the long run. This hard layer predisposes the dog to periodontal diseases like gingivitis and others. In some cases, cleaning dogs' teeth can be really challenging, especially when combined with dog toothpaste. This is why it may be worthwhile to look for other options, such as dental dog toys. This accessory is designed for cleaning dog teeth. Not only are chew toys a great way to reduce boredom and stress, but they can also scrub away any soft tartar, plaque, and even massage the gums. It won't do a lot for freshening their breath, and it isn't a great long-term solution. Think of chew toys more as a supplement and additional support to regular brushing, not as a replacement of it. Nylon or rubber chew toys are best. The second tip to clean dogs' teeth is bones. Besides being tasty and healthy for our dogs, chewing bones is great for their dental health. When a dog gnaws on a real meat bone, plaque and tartar are scraped off during the chewing session. This 100% natural process is one of the simplest ways to clean your pup's teeth easily. There are a couple of precautions to look out for with real meat bones. You shouldn't give your dog cooked bones, because it can splinter, crack, and cause cuts, blockages, and other problems for your dog. Uncooked bones are the safest bet. You can buy dog bones online and at pet stores. The third way to clean and treat the dog's teeth is to give some veggies as snacks to dogs. Carrots and apples are great options of snacks for your dog. They carry benefits for cleaning your dog's teeth. You'd be surprised how much it can help with your dog's bad breath. The more natural the food our dogs eat, the healthier their teeth are overall. Unfortunately, many dog treats out there have sugars, syrups, and other nasty ingredients. So, be sure to find natural treats for your pup. The fourth way is using coconut oil. Coconut oil doesn't just boost digestive, immune system, and metabolic functions, it also helps to combat dog bad breath. Plus, coconut oil helps keep your pup's coat shiny too. Many pup parents use it as a toothpaste for brushing their dog's teeth. But you can use it as a general additive to food instead of a toothpaste. Another way to clean your dog's teeth without brushing is to use oral sprays and gels. Sprays and gels are applied directly into your dog's mouth. Typically, you will either spray or apply and then rub it around your dog's teeth and gums. Sprays are a bit easier than gels for getting it all over your dog's teeth without your hand. The ingredients work to soften the plaque and tartar. That means the sprays and gels should be used in conjunction with regular teeth brushing. And the last way is to give dental chews to your dog. Dog chews are an alternative to teeth brushing. Chews are a healthy and tasty way to clean your dog's teeth without brushing. They're typically made from natural, simple ingredients and they treat the dog's dental health. As they eat, it can help break down plaque and tartar on your dog's teeth. This is one of the easiest ways to clean dog teeth. One of the best dental chew for dogs is called Pup Lab's Fresh Breathies. It's a natural puppy dental chew that treats your dog's oral health. Pup Lab's Fresh Breathies are the best dental dog chews that are properly developed to heal bad breath from the inside out. This product is only sold on the producer's site. I left the link to the official website in the description of this video to help you. What are Pup Lab's Fresh Breathies and why are they so effective? Fresh Breathies are delicious chews designed to support and reduce your pup's bad doggy breath by helping to reverse the damage done to your dog's digestion system with prebiotic fibers. It promotes a healthy microbiota and digestion. Each Fresh Breathy chew contains all natural ingredients, including spirulina, yucca extract, parsley, cinnamon, and champignon mushroom extract, which can work together to support dental health and benefit your pup's digestive system. It helps reduce flatulence and restore sweet breath. It promotes stronger gut health and immune support. Fresh Breathies was formulated to work from the inside out to rebalance your dog's gut microbiome and support or maintain his dental health. Fresh Breathies was designed and formulated to benefit all dogs, no matter their age or breed. This results in cleaner breath, reduced flatulence and body odors, firmer poops, less itching and scratching, more comfortable joints, and more energy. Plus, they have a delicious chicken flavor. Your dog will love it. Now I will explain how to use it. For dogs under 50 pounds, give 1 chew daily. Over 50 pounds, give 2 chews daily. Continue giving every day for at least 30 days. Consistency is important because these nutrients take some time to go to work. Starting in as little as 1 week, you should notice an improvement in breath, body odors, stool consistency, and energy. Fresh Breathies comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. So if you want to buy or know more about this powerful supplement for improving dog oral health, click on the link in the description of this video. I hope this video has helped you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and it will be a pleasure to help you.